Bonjour everyone. As a visitor in Puducherry, one of the places that have a must visit quality would be Auroville. It is such a place where the art of living is celebrated through sustainability and harmony. Today we will be checking out different places in and around Auroville to have a natural living experience close to nature. Before jumping in, this is not an endorsement for any of the places we will be looking at during this video. La Maison Bleue Eco-Conscious Lodging, Casa Ahau. This is an eco-conscious homestay where housing is a wooden space close to the beach with an amazing view and relaxed ambience. It is a big room with a private kitchen, a bedroom space, washing machine and a bathroom. Along with the amenities, they also have free parking space on the premises and a great patio with a beach view. They also promote sustainability in their rental space where they are inspired by the zero waste movement. With all the facilities available, this place is an ideal location to feel relaxed and be close to nature. A lemon tree hut. A lemon tree hut is a small and cozy living space located in a large and beautiful private garden space. Along with plenty of places to relax in nature, you will also have a pet-friendly atmosphere around with dogs. It has amazing reviews from the clients who have stayed with them, which shows how comfortable the space is. Their facilities include a fully functioning kitchen, washing machine along with Wi-Fi, garden strolls, etc. It is a simple yet delightful stay in the Lemon Tree Hut and is a perfect spot for a calm living experience in Auroville. Dharmakani Tropical Treehouse. To be close to natural living, nothing comes as close to having a treehouse experience. Dharmakani Tropical Treehouse offers a relaxed stay in a place with an ocean view. Located close to the Auroville beach, this place has a great garden as well. Parking space along with Wi-Fi facilities can create an amazing stay for the visitors. A great stay with nature all around you is one of the best experiences that Auroville offers. Bodhidharma Garden. Very close to the beach, this paradise of a garden is one that is the closest to nature with tiny living spaces built out of bamboo and other natural materials. Plenty of trees and bushes surround the house as a garden to have a completely authentic stay closest to nature to enjoy the sea breeze. With a kitchen, living room, bathroom and free parking spaces available, the Bodhidharma Garden has great reviews from visitors who have had a stay here before. Keith House. Keith House is an authentic rural living experience with all the charm of nature filled in it. The rustic ambience of the house right in the middle of the garden and surrounded by a forest of Auroville puts your mind at ease. Visitors like spiritual seekers, backpackers and eco-enthusiasts find this an ideal location to unwind and enjoy. Along with the contemporary architecture on the old school charmed house, they have all the facilities including a fully functioning kitchen, pet-friendly premises, free parking, Wi-Fi, dedicated workspaces, etc. Lotus Studio in Skandavans Garden. Lotus Studio is a beautiful studio bedroom with a dome-shaped architecture and excellent natural ventilation throughout the place. A beautiful garden with a large fish pond is the main attraction to staying here, taking in the natural beauty of the luscious garden and surroundings. The ambience that the Lotus Studio holds is like a breath of fresh air from the buzz of the outside world. The serenity the studio offers can be used to unwind and relax. A dedicated workspace, free parking, and all the essential amenities are available here. Along with these amenities, they also offer one-on-one yoga classes on request in their home dance studio. All of these living spaces promote natural living experiences to the visitors looking to relax and be close to nature. These places can be booked through the Airbnb portal and all of them have great ratings and reviews from the customers. We hope you found this video insightful. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. We will be back with more insightful videos like these. Happy exploring!